to another virtual art lesson with ArtSphere Incorporated. My name is Madeleine. For today's lesson, we're going to learn about birds and their habitats. Specifically, we're going to learn about the American robin and the nest that they build. Then we're going to make our own bird's nest. We have a lot to do, so let's get started. You will need 2 to 3 pieces of paper, a pencil, blue markers, crayons, or colored pencils, brown paper, glue, or a glue stick. Grab your materials and let's get started. What is an egg? What is an egg? Eggs come in all different types of colors, shapes, and sizes. Some are small and some are large. Some are bright colors like blue, and others are neutral colors like brown. Why do you think there are so many different types of eggs? That's right, because there are so many different types of birds. But all birds grow and develop from eggs. Birds are oviparous. Oviparous means that they lay their eggs and stay with them until they're ready to hatch. Robins lay beautiful blue eggs. The blue is so stunning that there's a color named after it called robin's egg blue. What does a robin look like? Robins have cover feathers that cover their entire body. They have orange down feathers that help keep them warm. Their dark gray flight feathers are on their wings. The robin's tail feathers help to guide it. Robins have large dark eyes and a bright yellow beak. Robins are part of the thrush family, which means that they sing. They are also omnivores. They eat plant and animal-based foods, like berries and insects. They especially love earthworms. Robins lay 3 to 5 eggs in their nest during the springtime. It takes about 14 days for the eggs to hatch. What is a nest? Have you looked up and seen a nest in a tree? This nest belongs to a robin. Robins build their nests using materials they find in nature. Twigs, mud, and leaves are tightly packed together to make a sturdy nest to hold their eggs and the delicate baby birds that hatch from them. Robins do not stay in their nests all year long. They just use them for their eggs. What is the shape of an egg? Is it a circle? Or is it an oval? An egg is the shape of an oval. The word oval means a shape that looks like an egg. We can use circles to draw ovals. An oval is like a circle that has been stretched out. It's like a circle with the curved line at the top and at the bottom. Can you spell oval? O V A L O-V-A-L. Oval. Let's practice drawing ovals. Grab a piece of paper and pencil. First, lightly draw a circle. We are going to stretch out our circle. Draw a curved line on one side of the circle and then on the other side. Do you see the oval shape? Draw over those curved lines again to darken it. Color the shape in. Do you see an oval? Let's keep practicing. Draw your circle lightly. That means you're not holding your pencil tightly and you're making a light line. You don't need to press hard on the paper. Try drawing bigger circles with smaller curved lines. Make your ovals different sizes. They kind of look like eyes. You can color your ovals in to see their shapes clearly. You can try drawing an oval without the circle in the middle. Keep practicing on the same piece of paper. Fill the entire page with ovals. Use different tools like markers or crayons to practice with. We made a finished drawing just from practicing. Do you see the ovals? Let's draw eggs. You will need another piece of paper, a pencil, and a blue marker, colored pencil, or a crayon. Find the center of your paper. Lightly draw a circle and two curved lines on both sides of the circle. Robins lay around 4 eggs. Let's draw 4 eggs. Use the pencil's eraser, erase the circle on the inside of your eggs. Now color in your eggs. I outlined mine first so that it would be easier to color them in neatly. create a home for our robin's eggs. Let's make a nest. You'll need some brown paper. You can use a brown paper bag, or you can make your own brown paper by coloring a white piece of paper brown. Next, we are going to tear our brown paper into thin strips. These will represent the twigs that birds use to build their nests. Your strips can be different sizes, just make sure that they're not too big. If you're using liquid glue, find a tray you can pour some into and a Q-tip or a small brush. We are going to glue the strips of brown paper around our eggs. You only need a few dots of glue for the paper to stick. Try and fill up the blank space around your eggs with the brown paper. It's like you're making a circle around the eggs. Overlap your paper. That means gluing paper on top of one another. Robin's nests are packed tightly, so don't have too much white paper showing. If you don't have glue, you can use a brown colored pencil, marker, or crayon to create a nest. Using the side of the drawing tool you picked, make a thick line. Repeat this over and over, drawing around the eggs in a circular shape. Overlap your lines so that some of them look like the letter X. You can use colored pencils, markers, and crayons all together to draw your nest. Great job! I hope where you are, you're able to see some American robins. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the art project that we did today. At ArtSphere, we would love for you to share your finished bird's nest with us. You can email a photo of your artwork at volunteer@artsphere.com. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter at ArtSphere Inc. If you post your photo online, be sure to include the hashtag #LoveArtSphereInc. Please check out our blog at www.artsphere.org/blog. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!